Akshaya Tritiya falls on the 10th of May, the Friday. So let's understand how to perform the puja. Try to wake up early at the Brahma Muhurtam time. Have a bath, offer your prayers and water to the sun god. Clean the puja room. Place a small chowki. Spread an yellow cloth. Place Lakshmi, Kubera and Vishnu's idols. Place a small Ganesha idol as well. Keep little of cash, some gold and silver. If you have invested in any valuable products, please place them too. Light the lamp, apply kumkum to all the deities. Pray to Lord Ganesha first. Goddess Lakshmi loves the lotus flowers. Try to perform puja with lotus flowers. If you are unable to procure the lotus flowers, any flower will do. Prepare payasam, kheer, if not, little fruits, little milk as offering. Play the Lakshmi Ashtotram, offer the lotus flowers to Goddess Lakshmi. Try to repeat the shloka, Shreem Breeze, at least 108 times. Thank you.